you say you race that in the C6 now that it's done?
100%.
So we're going to be doing a head and cam package for John's Z06. We're going to be rectifying the head issue that is commonly known with the L7s. We're also adding an aggressive cam package as well for him. He asked for the aggressive one, so we're going to give it to him.
There's that word again.
Aggressive.
Aggressive.
Whoa, that's impressive.
Nothing is going to happen below 3,000 RPM. Nothing. There it is.
I missed you.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a couple days, right?
Yeah.
It's a hell of a long,
You guys
long couple days,
job.
man. It went quick though, getting ready for Thanksgiving and everything. So
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh man.
There she is.
You see, Novi, what you don't realize is the person that's more excited here actually is Axe, because he knows exactly what this is going to be and he wants to drive it. He says you're excited, but Axe literally can't wipe the smile off his
I
face.
decided to go this route. That's why I knew I needed to talk to him about it. Because if it was his childhood dream to have this car, I knew he was going to have the right setup.
Should we start it?
I want to hear it so bad. Come on.
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
All right. Go there and then
My neighbors are going to hate me. Let's get this outside. Here we go. First time out. That is more race car-ish. What? That's more race car-ish.
technically we could change the muffler.
Yeah, he's actually working on that right now.
Nice. It'll be really loud though if you do that.
Yeah, let me happy. I'm happy this right now.
So how'd it go?
It's so much
It's a little faster, right?
A little faster, yeah. It's just quick. And with those tires, I mean, it's just stuck to the ground. I love it.
Yep. Like it puts it down and it drives. Like the nice thing is the drivability. Like it's
Yeah, dude, it's. I'm very happy with the work. I just shut it off. I just wanted to listen to it.
I mean, Novi's car is going to be parked outside of his garage, idling at all times.
My new sleep noise is going to be a stage 4 noise.
The neighbor's going to turn that shit off.
Mexico.
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
Good air today too.
Oh, yeah.
Good air, sure. Made some good power, so you should be enjoying that for a while.
What did that?
I think peak horsepower made like 608 on one of the best pulls, and then it averaged about 590 once you got warmed up. But yeah, it's a solid 600 horsepower car, two wheels.
What are you calculating?
If we do 608, no, let's just say 15%.
Sounds good.
So that's 715 crank horsepower. We're right at the. SVJ's gonna have a run.
We'll just have to put that to the test.
Respectively.
Imagine. We'll see if it beats. I wonder if it'll beat an Aventador.
Depends on the roll. That's pretty good for a roll.
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of Suede's got great drag coefficient.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
Randy's gonna be pissed if it beats him.
That's what I said. If that happens, you know, no more
That's what
100,000 mile SVJ. That thing's going soon.
Slightly different curve there. Just a little bit.
you think?
Right at the top. Just a little bit.
Now we get the nice trip home. I can't wait. I'm excited. I know you guys are just hopping in the Explorer, but I can't wait to you know, see what this puts down a little bit.
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say, there we go. That's what we need. Safe travel, boys. You were trying to get this.
Oh yeah. Be on the highway.
What do you say you rate that in the C6 now that it's done?
100%. I would love to do that. Add some sound to it. It'd be nice. That thing's not loud enough, by the way.
No, it's way too quiet.
Yeah, it's way too quiet, but yeah.
Completely.
You're never even gonna hear the Porsche next to that thing.
Yeah.
So it's that band between 30 and 90. I'd say 40 to 90 where he's got me.
So that's incredible though. So this car, it got the heads and cam package from ECS made like 500-ish. GT2RS.
He's 600 plus.
Well, now he is with the heads and cam. But before it was only like 500 horsepower.
I'm 725 to the wheel.
725 to the wheel, and that thing just pulled on you.
It pulled on me not from the beginning, not from the dig.
Yeah, correct.
Right, but as soon as we make a left turn, he's going in a wall. That's the problem.
You can go that fast and go around the wall.
Right, exactly, and I can make the turn.
Yeah, he'll still be going through the wall.
Right, exactly.
By the time you're done with the corner. from a roll, I was just, Randy, he was just saying, like from 40 to 90, you got him.
Yeah, I mean, there's that mid-range power of that American muscle car that just, this thing cannot keep up.
Yeah, that high band is just.
And I mean, I'm floored, you know.
I didn't have one good dig there. My best dig was when we were on our way over here.
Yeah, the dig, you're not going to take me off the line.
I haven't had a good one. ECS did an amazing job. I love the work. The stage 4 cam is, thank you, Axe, was exactly what this Novi needed. Before the engine work, before the cam, the headers, and all that jazz, you would get to like 5, 6, and you'd start losing. Now, my kind of just driving around, savagey, just a little savagey, my want is just to shift at 5. You know, but this thing doesn't dance until 5. So that 5 to about 6,800 is insane. It's just complete putting you back in the seat right there the second you put your foot on the, on the pedal. And that was the biggest change. That bandwidth is so high at that, I'd say it's probably like 48 to 6,800. And it's crazy. I love it. It's a better driving car, and I love the way it sounds. And I get some nice pops in there. We still got the cats in there. But Valvetronic, you guys make a great muffler. I blew away my expectations. I love the way they sound. My neighbors are thanking you for the cutting off the exhaust, the valves. So that's a huge thing. Just like getting ready to come here in the morning, this morning, getting it all warmed up. So comment below, what should I do to it? I mean, the guy holding the camera right now, our old beloved Jimbo, wants me, he has some ideas, and I don't know, let me know what you guys want me to do this 06
Nitrous.
this bad boy right here.
Nitrous.
I love it. See, okay, so he's saying it. Yeah, he wants me,
Nitrous.
He wants me to put a shot of Nas on there, and we'll see. We'll see where that goes. I've been talking to ECS again about some ideas that they had, but let me know. Let me know what you want me to do. Till next time, thank you for watching. More on all of our cars, but especially my Z06. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Holy